Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're checking out the Honda Civic, a car that continues to set the bar in the compact segment. From its refreshed design to exciting new tech and the hybrid model, there's a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. The Honda Civic takes its iconic design and gives it subtle yet modern updates. The front fascia features a redesigned bumper with sharper lines and sleeker LED headlights that give it a bolder presence. Honda's also refined the rear, with sporty taillights and a cleaner look overall. And check this out, a new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 16-inch to 18-inch options depending on the trim. This car looks sharp whether you go for the sporty Civic C, the fuel-efficient hybrid, or the tech-packed touring model. Now let's step inside, where the 2025 Civic really shines. Honda continues to impress with a clean, modern interior that's both stylish and functional. The honeycomb pattern air vent design runs across the dash, keeping things sleek, while soft touch materials give it a premium feel. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The Civic features a standard 7-inch touchscreen, and on higher trims, you get this 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there's an optional Bose premium audio system that sounds amazing. And for practicality, the Civic offers generous rear seat space and over 14 cubic feet of trunk space, making it perfect for road trips or daily errands. Under the hood, Honda gives you options. The base trims come with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 158 horsepower, are perfect for daily commuting. But for enthusiasts, the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine with 180 horsepower adds some extra punch. And here's the big news: the 2025 Civic now offers a hybrid version. It pairs a 2.0-liter engine with 2 electric motors, delivering a combined 200 horsepower while achieving an impressive fuel economy of up to 50 miles per gallon. Driving the Civic feels smooth, responsive, and engaging. Whether it's city traffic or a backroad adventure, the suspension is well tuned for comfort and fun. Honda remains a leader in safety, and the 2025 Civic is no exception. It comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It's everything you need to feel confident on the road. The 2025 Civic comes in multiple trims, starting at around $25,000 for the base model. The hybrid model is expected to start near $29,000, while the sporty Civic C and feature-rich touring models will take you closer to $32,000. So there you have it, the 2025 Honda Civic, a car that combines style, tech, and performance in a way few competitors can. Whether you're looking for efficiency, comfort, or something fun to drive, the Civic has you covered. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle, and let us know in the comments, would you pick the new Civic, or is there another car on your radar?